Imagine walking through a procedurally generated city. You explore for minutes, then turn around and come back. In standard autoregressive video generation, the world has completely changed. The building you pass now has a different texture, or a new wing appeared. This is the loop closure problem. Current models have bounded KV caches, so once you leave a region, the memory is evicted, and the model hallucinates a new version on return. A new preprint from Roblox and Penn State solves this without retraining. They call it closing the loop. It's a training-free method that exploits the geometry already available from your 3D engine. First, they use pose-retrieved loop closure memory. The model tracks camera poses. When the current pose matches a past pose within a distance, an angle threshold, it retrieves that specific historical latent chunk and injects it back into the KV cache. It's like giving the model a bookmark for locations it's visited before. Second, they use geometry-guided attention bias. Just having the chunk isn't enough. The model needs to know where to look. They use metric depth and camera poses to reproject query tokens from the current frame onto the retrieved historical frame. This calculates a Gaussian bias added directly to the attention logits. It soft steers attention toward geometrically corresponding tokens without warping features, preserving sharpness and avoiding artifacts. Crucially, this bias acts as a suppression mask, narrowing where the model looks without forcing content, and includes an occlusion test to prevent steering queries toward hidden surfaces. The result? Consistent revisits. Evaluated on TartanAir and TartanAir datasets, this method doubles keypoint matches on loop closures compared to baselines like infinity row PE and deep forcing, all while maintaining high video quality and requiring zero training. It integrates directly with streaming game engines. If you're building long-horizon generative worlds, you need memory. This paper shows how to close the loop using geometry-aware attention. Check the link in the description for the full method.